Okay, me Simon, me not say no like girl. What do you me say me a carry one boy come up in me yard make chipsy to blood clot girl. Me never carry one boy up in me yard come in like carry man. Me make me any fucking in front to can up on me bed. Girl, me say me I give the boy like a pussy in that. The boy hood mag and weak. You know when you go past it kind of stiff, but it does a fold up. The way it manga, it does a fold up like spring. The way it just coming like a spring. It just like you go panny, it just a go back down. You know, soft, you know, but it just weak. It coming like one hose. I say it coming like one hose. You know, stop not even tough like the hose to right. You know, the rubber them with the car door. The rubber them like if you have a rubber, you know, so you go sit down on the rubber, it just kind of go down weak. Like it just a roll up, even though it's stiff, it just roll up, it weak, you know, have no strength in the root. I saw it would stay. Girl, me see me head at me the night, you see the morning, the boy come and wake me up for sex again. Me give the boy like a suicide to that better, girl. It never better blood clot. The boy can't move and muscle. So me just tell him on the phone say, his sex never right. And he vex. He vex, but what me fi do? Me fi talk the truth, don't. He would weak, and me I would tell him right now saying he would weak.
Pussy girl go suck out your mother. Right now your pussy remind me of blood class Sunday school, and my blood class usually go Sunday school every Sunday. But just I remember the song, I saw your pussy though. Deep and wide, there's a fountain flowing deep and wide, wide. I saw your blood clot pussy big go suck your mother. And right now we just a dance up in your blood clot hole. You put your right foot in, you put your left foot in, and you shake it out. Hey girl, we do the okey pokey in your blood clot pussy. Your pussy big no blood clot. Hey, take out the blood clot lizard from out of your pussy and make cart and free up cartel. Suck your mama. I hear pussy kill biggie small, you know, and from out of your pussy and make cart and free up cartel. Suck your mama. I hear pussy kill biggie small, you know, and them lock up 2-pack feet, you know. Little chimney mouth, girl. Go suck your mother, toilet pussy, girl. I saw your pussy does a flush. Only remember, you know, the only time you change your blood clot blouse when Labour writing a blood clot power in an election where you get the green shot, girl. Go suck your